Is freelancing online only about freelance websites, the crowdsourcing websites like Elance or Freelancer or Odesk? No, that is not true. And in fact, that is probably just one part of freelancing online. Even if I restrict myself to the online world only, I can actually see so many different avenues where you can freelance and still be able to earn money, and you can in fact over time earn a lot of money. And what it will eventually become is not just freelancing, but it'll actually become an online business of yours. And that's something which I recommend to everybody out there, that don't just focus on say a single site, or even few sites, or even if you're say present across all of these crowdsourcing sites. Think about why, for example, if there are across all of these sites, you'll find a lot of projects for articles to be written. Now, have you ever thought about why they need these articles? you know if you, in case you haven't, let me tell you that mostly it's for article marketing, wherein they are not really directly concerned about the content in these articles, but they're more concerned about the fact that these articles will say get them backlinks, where they can actually improve their rankings on search engines like Google. Now, post Google's Panda update, these things are not much more complex, and quality of content really makes a lot of difference. But at the same time, what you'll find is that by and large, these freelance sites, they definitely, there'll be a lot of compromises which you'll be making. There'll be projects which probably are not as rewarding as you would like them to be. So therefore, think about the different avenues while remaining online, because what I've seen is that offline also there are probably as many or more avenues to earn money, but then they might be having their own